document definition, document in a sentence, document pronunciation, document meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of document. Document. Do-cu-ment. Document. Document as a verb means to record something for future reference. Common usages in academic writing: to document the facts, to document the situation, to document the meaning. Example sentences: document, verb. Dr. Smith spent 5 years documenting the migration patterns. Example sentence number 2. In an attempt to document the narwhal's mating rituals, the marine biologist lived on a ship for nearly 6 months. Please write a sentence using document in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know document's pronunciation, document's meaning, and how to use document in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.